Okay, now continue with the previous code. Here we have reached up to where. Okay, this is second part that because of some problem I and I become unable to complete pre previous in previous video. Now I am going to complete this tutorials or knowledge in this video. Okay, let's continue. We have reached up to where. Now what we need is, here we have already our database. Okay, let's see the structure. Now we have selected users table, this table. Now we need to select its branches, other columns, rows. Okay, this users password, these are our main uh, main columns that we need to select. Let's select it. Where, just write user, this is the name of this table. Here also showing user is equal to, write single inverted comma, then inside that write double inverted comma, and inside that write dot string, that uname will be our string, then write again dot. Now come here, and now we need to write here and, because we are only selecting two columns. Okay, write a and the and, then select next table is our PASS is equal to, then write here also same thing, and write here you pass this. We need to write, sorry, not you, PASS only, and then again dot. Now we have right up to here. Now we need to set its limit value to 1. Okay, we need to set limit value as a 1. Now close. Okay, now what we need is to bind its value, right? Query, then hyphen, now bind value, right? 1 comma, first is uname, username it is, then next also bind value, query, we need to bind value. Okay, bind value, this will be 2, then here PASS. Okay, now we need to execute this query. Our query is denoted with this query variable, so write it first query hyphen again and execute. Here you need to write execute, execute. Then to search for username and password, we need to write, or we need to define variable rows is equal to, it will be, we will be using query, and then just write, sorry, okay, hyphen, then write fetch, and here write PDO, sorry, PDO, and then double colon, then fetch num, right? Fetch num. Okay, then now we need to apply condition, that is if, then string rows, if string rows is greater than 0, you need to write 0, sorry, then if it is, this is a matching code, if it match, then echo out, or you can redirect to other pages. Now write echo anything message you can show logged in. I'm writing this. Okay, now you need to write exit code in next line. Then if you want you can write else code. Then I'm writing same thing here. Sorry, and lesson. Okay, now again you write exit. Then let's check our login form. Once refresh. Now write any name like I'm writing DINESS Linux. Then password I am setting LEARNER. Once login, sorry, incorrect information. This message has been popped up. Now what can we do is once let's create here information about that same DNS learner. Okay, and you need to go insert, then user DINESS, then password will be learner. Then go. Now select this. Okay, select this. Then go. Okay, one user has been added here. Now let's check by going to login form. DNS learner again. Okay, write DNS, then LEARN here. Okay, logged in. Again try another name whether it has works, it is working or not. To check, write KVR Kuwait, then password I'm setting root. Okay, login. Sorry, incorrect information. Now our login form has been created. Now we are adding here in this same page create account option or create account function. Okay, so for that let's create new file in our project folder. Okay, I'm setting some PHP file and I'm setting name create account. Then okay, this is our PHP form. What we need is I'm you can choose another also another HTML styles and other function, but I'm because of some lack of time I'm choosing this same code and I will just make some little changes here. Okay, what I am going to do is in this HTML inside of HTML tag I am writing here. Okay, same thing and just I will change here. You can do any of your choice, but I'm not doing other. In place of this I'm writing create account SCCO account. Okay, then I will use this style also the same thing, but I want to change something here. Okay, to link with create new account. Here I'm linking like this. I am using okay a, then adds area create account, and then here once I want to choose another heading styles because okay, let's first see. Let's for ID then wait. Once I want to check it. Okay, here it has been popped up, and same thing, like same display that has appeared. Okay, once and I want to make here also to go back to login form. Same thing. A Acharya. Here I will use index.php. Then here I want to use as same thing. Then ID will be same thing like previous, that is and okay. Now I want to make some I want to add some code here in this our CSS defining to the ANM. Okay, I will I will set margin value of this margin top. I am setting 50 pixels. Now I want once let me set background color. Once I want to check black. Oh, nothing happening. Means what we need to do anyway. Set some transi yeah RANT sorry transition by dts right and I'm getting this. Yeah, I will set time 0.7 as okay. Then I will set easy out. Once let me check. Oh, nothing happening. Enter this. I want to set its class value also. ANM. Okay, anyway, we are mainly in this tutorial I am showing you how can you insert database from this create account function like this. Okay, leave this and let's go to the create account. Here we have to make some changes. Okay, now here, okay, we will erase all this. Okay, up to this. Then I'm writing something. First query is equal to I want to same PDO, then prepare. After this was same, then in this statement we need to write insert insert. Anyway, you can, and the easy way is here. Go to this our database, then see insert. Okay, and just go leave this blank and go. Now just copy this. This is the easier way. Copy and come here, then paste inside the inverted comma. Now just write here and here that our this string are variable. You you name. You don't need to write any dot here. Okay, and in this inverted comma write pa pass. Okay, now here is string write query, then just you don't need to bind value. Now you just need is execute it. Then same thing, you need to write rows, or you need to define rows with any variable. Okay, here I'm defining with same rows, then query, then fetch PDO fetch num, then if same thing. I'm doing this all to but you don't need this rows if. Okay, I'm doing this to know whether our account created or not. Okay, so let's echo out here same okay, now write exit. Now else echo out some code. Okay, I'm writing this. Let's create some account whether it works or not. Okay, go back to our login home page. At first click here, delete all our users. Now then use this. Go back to login from like this. You can log in from here at first. Okay. So create. At first view some demonstration. Right learner and password also learner. Login. Sorry, incorrect information. Now create account and that information. Okay, learner learner and password also learner. Now create account. Okay, message is not appear, but once check learner learner logged in. Okay, and that message not appear. I need to check. Oh, here we forgot to write exit. Now message will appear. Okay, we have created account. We can view from our database also. Refresh our database, then check. Look, learner user is created. Then now, okay, this was our simple uh, login form page that can be built with simple code. We don't need to do any hard. So thank you for watching this to learn from me. And if you have any doubt or any questions, you can leave comments. Okay, if you want some more other videos like this, you can share this, like this, subscribe this channel. Okay, this is my first tutorial startup, and okay, enjoy with my tutorials. Thanks for watching. Okay, bye.